Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We're broadcasting from St. Louis, Missouri. Well, a little bit west of St. Louis, Missouri. Wildwood, Missouri. We are bringing to you, well, I'm going to say a product launch. Now, most of you will know, maybe some of you don't, but we are the people here behind the wildly successful product called Waffle Cone Zone. It is a flavor and color solution for you to put into your waffle cones. You can make red velvet waffle cones. We've got some flavors down here. Blueberry waffle cones. We've got espresso waffle cones. You can make mint waffle cones. All the way over here, strawberry waffle cones. And look, we have been wildly successful in the waffle cone flavoring business. You'll see them in where all major Waffle Cone Zone websites are located. Anyway, in preparation for this year's Cone Con, we are launching two new flavors. Two new members of the family. First one, which we've been doing some rapid fire testing on, is Blue Moon. Yes? You too can make Blue Moon waffle cones at your store. So that is being launched at the show. Second one is, you guessed it. Did you guess it? I don't think you did. Orange cream waffle cones. So we're going to make some orange cream waffle cones and some Blue Moon waffle cones, show you how easy that it is. Ice cream lovers, that's very easy to use. You're basically using your waffle cone batter or mix, whether you're buying it powdered from, say, someone like Tobacco that we use, or you make your own, that's fine. You're basically using around about 1 fluid ounce per quart of your waffle cone batter. I don't know why I'm always looking off to the side. Anyway, now that's, you can kind of flavor and color to taste if you want. We kind of keep it right on that level there, just so you can see what it kind of looks like. We've got our Tobacco machine here. Let's go with our Blue Moon. You can see it looks like this beautiful blue consistency. Nice thick waffle cone. We're going to drop that right down onto the hot plate there. Bring it down nice and gently. Wait for that Blue Moon steam to come up. Have a look at this. Oh, that's what you're paying the big bucks for. It'll take about 1 minute in there. We'll kind of pop that out and roll it. We've got a very, very popular tutorial on how to roll waffle cones. Madeline, do you want to put that in the link down below as well? Oh, good. I thought you were going to go. So we wait for this for a minute. Look, it's very easy to make waffle cones. I used to say 1 in 10 people can't roll a waffle cone. I've stopped saying that now because in class, why am I looking over there again? If I have 10 people in class and the first 9 roll waffle cones, then the last one goes well. I'm not going to even worry because it's me. Down to the last 10 seconds. When it comes out of here, we're going to get our spatula, lift it off. It could be on the bottom, could be on the top. And then we're going to put it on our mandrel here, get the roller action going nice and quick. It's on the top. There we go. Look at that beautiful rich blue color. Drop it right down here while it's pliable. You've got to have 3 quick rotations. Let's throw an orange cream on right on the back. Drop that down. Our Blue Moon's waiting in there for about, what are you looking at? Blue Moon's down here. It sits in there for about 15, 20 seconds. Look at that. And the beauty is, now these are designed not to overpower the palate. It's a very nice, subtle Blue Moon flavor. You can smell it, you can taste it. The beauty is putting it on these, we'll set it this way. Look how great that looks. When we've got customers here that are using all of these bottles and they've got reds and blues and greens and tans, looks fantastic. You can buy them on our website. Madeline will put the link down below. waffleconezone.com. Now I'm interested in your opinion. If you're coming to Cone Con, look us up in the booth. We'll be right next door to the Scoop School booth. And we'll be rolling all of these flavors, colors. We will also be sampling them out. Come and taste the orange cream. Come and taste the Blue Moon. Here's our orange cream coming out. Look at that. Woo-hoo! You can almost smell the orange creaminess. Well, you can. That's the whole purpose of it. Drop that in there. Wait like 10, 15 seconds or so, which you didn't know which way that was going to go. And then she's ready to pop back off. Again, beautiful, rich tone. We're going to drop it on this side here. Look how good that looks. Customers are buying with their eyes, I'm telling you right now. So you have a different array of waffle cones. Some people actually say that they do a waffle cone a week or a specialty cone a week. You might find like a red velvet cone is the cone of the week. Next week it's the the espresso cone. Whichever way you want to do it, it does really lift your waffle cone game. You know that waffle cones are the biggest upsell in the industry. Would you like that on a waffle cone? It gives you a lot more options. You don't have to worry about breakage. You're making them in the store. You get that beautiful waffle cone smell. And look, there's nothing much more I can say apart from the fact that the link is down below. Have a look at the link about rolling waffle cones. Have a look at the link about Waffle Cone Zone. If you have any questions, reach out. In fact, I'm interested in your waffle cone story. Leave a bit of a comment down below. We love responding to comments and reading your comments. WaffleConeZone.com, ScoopSchool.com, ConeCon.com, KeepOnScoopin.com. We'll see you in the next video.com.